Greetings colleagues. Did you know that you can buy a startup or a ready-made business not only as a ready-made website but also just a source code? Yes, there are not many such projects for sale, but I am sure that you can choose according to your interests and abilities. You can do this on CodeCanyon.net with a simple search for the keyword SaaS. The link will be in the description. Having scrolled through the available projects for sale, I liked a few, so it was decided to put this into operation. The project will not be a standard paid project, but free for active users of my YouTube channel. Watch the video to the end and find out the details. I am Yevon. I have wide expertise in setting up the implementation and integration of various platforms with each other, but on this channel, I use robotic reading of texts for various reasons. Previously, I used a Windows application. On the CodeCanyon marketplace of source codes, I found that can also perform the function of translating the text into voices, at a higher quality level, through API with other services. That suits me. The price is acceptable, especially since to launch a full version of the service with payments, a standard license for $69 is enough, and there is no need to buy a full license for $199, although the launch of payments in my service not planned yet. We are moving. We buy a license. We are downloading our new service system, module, platform, or scripts, call it whatever suits you best. Uploading scripts to the site. We launch the installation, navigate through the convenient web interface. After a few simple steps, we already have a basic version of the service that is not working. We look at what settings we have on the site, configure what can be configured without additional reading of the documentation. Don't you like reading documentation either? Please answer in the comments. In the process of viewing the admin panel of the site, I understand that it is necessary to connect third-party services through which the translation of a text into speech will be carried out. These are Google Text-to-Speech, Microsoft Azure TTS, AWS Polly and S3, Wasabi. Let's take a closer look at connecting AWS Polly and S3. We connect to the console of the AWS panel using our data from the Amazon account or register a new one. Then I follow the instructions in the interface. I had to tinker because it was here and I had to read the instructions and follow them. In short, we set up a place for storing audio files and directly a tool that sends texts from my server to the Amazon server, from where it already receives a finished file that is provided to the client, that is end user. With other services, it comes out a little faster, but the principle is the same. We work with the instructions. By synchronizing voice templates, I make sure that the instructions have been completed correctly, and you can now use your text-to-file converter. There will be no information on the business model today. But information on how you can use this service will be. You need to be subscribed to the channel, leave 5 comments under any of my videos, register with the service, and send me an email. And you will be able to enjoy free 100k characters available for conversion. Did I already say that it will be free, right? Link to the service in the description.
Total, we can launch our cloud service for about $100, namely $69 for the source code of the service itself, $10 for a domain, $10 for 2 months of hosting to test our idea. For the first time, text-to-speech services do not take money, so all that remains is to work on the texts and settings of your service, turn on marketing, and hooray, we have a ready-made cloud platform.
Would you use such a service? Write in the comments. Also, do not forget to write what functions you are missing in such a service.
That's an interesting experience for me. I liked it myself. I'll, probably, start something like that else. Don't forget that the service is free for commenting on my videos.